The trend towards small fixed blades for daily use peaked in 2026. Without the bulk of conventional survival knives, these instruments provide the structural dependability of a fixed blade. From ultra-lightweight neck knives to precision-ground hunting companions, this assortment showcases the ideal ratio of performance to mobility. These 10 blades are designed to stay by your side, whether you're chopping cordage or preparing a campfire supper. Let's examine the leading candidates. The Mossy Oak 7.5-inch EDC fixed blade is a compact, high-performance tool built for the 2026 enthusiast. Engineered for versatility, this mission-ready knife features a razor-sharp 3.5-inch blade made from premium 14C2N stainless steel, offering exceptional rust resistance and edge retention. Its full-tank construction provides the structural integrity needed for demanding tasks like camping, fishing, or emergency use. The ergonomic fiberglass handle ensures a secure, high-traction grip, while the aggressive Tonto point is optimized for piercing and tactical utility. It features a 3.5-inch blade and an overall length of 7.5 inches. Whether in the city or the deep woods, its low-profile design and included sheath make it a reliable, discreet companion. It is the perfect blend of durability and portability for any survivalist's gear setup. The Kaiser Mini Harpoon is a premium EDC fixed blade built for the 2026 survivalist. This tactical tool features a high-performance CPM 3V steel blade renowned for exceptional toughness and edge retention. The distinctive harpoon-style tip and hollowed spine offer superior control for precision tasks, while full-tank construction ensures indestructible reliability. Its ergonomic handle, available in micarta or translucent pay, provides a high-traction, non-slip grip in any weather. It features a razor-sharp 3-inch blade and an overall length of 6.49 inches. This lightweight essential weighs a mere 2.1 ounce. It is the ultimate survival companion. Whether navigating the backcountry or handling urban utility, the Mini Harpoon delivers heavy-duty performance in a discreet portable frame. Complete with a versatile Kydex sheath, it is a sophisticated powerhouse for your kit. The CVV MDNR Hunter is a high-performance survival tool designed in collaboration with Kyle Lamb for the 2026 adventure. This tactical fixed blade features a 4.12-inch blade crafted from Nitro V stainless steel, offering exceptional edge retention and superior corrosion resistance. Its specialized compound grind provides a unique balance of slicing efficiency and tip strength, while the full-tank construction ensures indestructible reliability. The ergonomic MIL G10 handle delivers a secure, high-traction grip that excels in both wet and dry conditions. It features a razor-sharp 4.12-inch blade and an overall length of 8.38 inches. This agile tool weighs only 3.65 ounce. Whether you are field dressing game or managing a rugged campsite, this lightweight powerhouse offers professional-grade agility. It comes complete with a custom-fit Kydex sheath and dual straps for versatile mission-ready carry. The Spitzkante 3.07-inch neck knife is a precision-engineered tool that brings sleek, German-inspired design to the forefront of the 2026 EDC scene. Built for those who demand a surgical edge in a discreet package, this minimalist fixed blade is optimized for high-performance slicing and intricate detail work. Its slim, low-profile steel in the world ensures that it carries comfortably around the neck or tucked inside a waistband without drawing any unwanted attention. It features a razor-sharp 2.48-inch drop-point blade crafted from 5-core 1/4 steel, providing elite edge retention and wear resistance. The overall length of the tool is 5.63 inches, making it incredibly agile in the hand. Despite its robust full-tank strength and high-traction ABS handle scales, it is featherlight, weighing in at just 2.57 ounce. Complete with a multi-position Kydex sheath, the Spitzkante is a sophisticated, high-utility masterpiece.
The White River Knives M1 Backpacker Pro is a lightweight yet durable fixed blade designed for hikers, campers, and everyday adventurers. Featuring a 3-inch CPMS S35VN stainless steel blade, this knife offers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Perfect for outdoor survival and bushcraft tasks. What sets the M1 Backpacker Pro apart is its ergonomic G10 handle scales, providing a secure grip in all conditions. Unlike the standard M1 Backpacker, which comes with a paracord dripped handle, this version offers enhanced comfort and control. Despite its solid construction, it remains lightweight at just 3 ounces, making it easy to carry on extended trips. The Kydex sheath with a multi-mount clip ensures safe and versatile carry options, whether attached to a backpack strap or belt. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or tackling everyday tasks, the M1 Backpacker Pro delivers top-tier performance in a compact, ultra-reliable package.
Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or the deep wilderness, these compact fixed blades redefine what it means to be truly prepared. Choosing the right one ensures you have the perfect balance of strength and portability for every challenge 2026 throws your way.